Hi, I'm Michelle and this is my mum Yvonne.
Hello there.
I'm the youngest of 4 kids and both my parents were DIYers.
Look, did Murray mind wearing that tie? I'm sure that he didn't like it.
Probably not. It's the 70s, eh? Look at the outfit. Do you remember when Dad built our pool at the back?
And you all had to dig it out. Yes.
My dad died of a heart attack when he was only 42, so Mum was left alone with us 4 kids. Later on, she started her own wallpapering business. Look, you're wallpapering again. How good, how good. Who said stripping was hard?
Who would have thought that it'd come off that easy?
Actually, it was Mum who taught me to wallpaper, and I've done it myself ever since in every home I've lived in. I wallpapered Mum's room 10 years ago and now it really looks like it needs some love. There's mould on the ceilings and the walls and it's looking a bit tired. Helping me to get started is Resene's Eco.Decorator Steve. He'll treat and prep the walls and then prep the paint and the doors, windows and joinery. While he does that, I'm off to the Resene colour shop to get the perfect wallpaper for Mum. We've decided on a feature wall and some plain walls around because she's very much a rose lover and flowers and everything, and I just like that for the feature wall. So what do you think?
I love it. It'll be nice and just get a nice soft texture with the rest of the walls, and a nice feature behind the bed would be perfect.
Yeah. Steve's done a brilliant job with the prep and paintwork.
And there's our pattern match there. And so once you come down here, there's your next one just there.
He's going to show me a few different ways of hanging the wallpaper now. Oh my goodness, look how easy that is. Wow. I've always cut it to size first, but Steve holds the roll as he goes, which is new to me.
So holding that in your right hand and the paper in the middle, finger grip like that. And then just holding it in your left hand quietly.
As Steve said, holding in the middle. The only thing with holding your wallpaper, you haven't got your 2 hands to do the, match. The most important part is this edge to match. I'll just go back and fix your bit.
You've done really well.
Thank you. You've surprisingly got quite a lot of time. Some people panic because they think, it glues real fast, but it doesn't. You've got a lot of time to play with it. The next one is the light. So the way I do it with it's a light fitting. I cut, into the corners. You always cut less because you don't want a gap,
She's doing well. Yes, she is. I'm very proud of her.
I think that with wallpapering, the main thing is to be patient and not rush anything, because most things you can fix. Just figure out what to do there. So that will have to be cut into the wall there. But you've got to think about it. So it has to come off because you've got to put the other piece into the wall. We don't have the experts, so we're just asking the cameraman, what would you do? Well, that has to come off to there, doesn't it? Because this is going to be the other paper.